Everyone wants to be rich, but have you ever wondered why only a few people actually make it? It's not luck. It's because rich people know 7 secrets that they'll never tell you. But today, I'll reveal them all. So listen carefully, because one of these secrets could change your life forever. Secret 1. The silent rule of time. Poor people trade time for money. Rich people trade money for time. They use their money to buy freedom, not things. That's why they invest, delegate, and automate. Secret 2. Money loves attention. If you ignore your money, it will ignore you too. Rich people track every dollar, every investment, every opportunity. Poor people just hope it works out. But money doesn't reward hope, it rewards focus. Secret 3. They play the long game. Rich people think in years, not days. They don't need instant results. They build empires slowly. While others chase quick cash, they build long-term assets. Secret 4. They never stop learning. Every millionaire reads, learns, and grows daily. They know the more knowledge they have, the more powerful their decisions become. Ignorance is expensive. Education is profit. Secret 5. They use fear differently. Average people fear failure. Rich people fear not trying. They know every failure hides a lesson, and that lesson builds wealth. Secret 6. They think in systems, not effort. Poor people say, I'll work harder. Rich people say, I'll build a system that works for me. That's the real reason they earn even when they sleep. Secret 7. They protect energy, not just money. You can always earn money back, Bernie, but not your energy. Rich people avoid negativity, laziness, and drama. They value peace more than price. Now that you know their 7 secrets, the real question is, will you use them? Remember, success doesn't start with money, it starts with mindset. If you found this video helpful, follow me for more powerful truths about success and wealth.